Hi guys, in this video I will let you know that within 60 seconds how you can debloat your Windows. So I have found a very good application and reliable application and absolutely free. It will debloat your Windows within these 60 seconds. So let's start the video, and you need to open the Chrome browser, O&O AppBuster. So you have to click on this website, and then you have to click download for free, and it will be downloaded instantly without wasting a single second. Let's double click on it. Yes, it is pretty much simple installation and pretty much simple lightweight application, and you can see that it is searching for the app and absolutely lightweight. Let's wait for a second, and now it is showing all the application, all the useful, useless, all the application in front of you, and now you have the complete control which app you need to debloat it and which app you need to keep it. So let's check out the options. So beauty of this application is that you can select one by one application by yourself, and you can easily decide that what you have to keep and what you have to remove. Now I will request you, the recommended option is select all the apps recommended for removal. It will check mark all the application. You can see that Xbox console, Xbox game, and you can check each and every applications. So Microsoft 365 Copilot, it has also been selected. 3D viewer, 3D builder, for game, feedback hub. So you can see that it has already selected those applications which we hardly use in our daily life. So that's it. Click onto the remove, click onto the computer. Apps will be removed for all users and whole machine, so we don't need it. And you can also do that for the current user. So for time being, I'm also I'm doing for the current user, and if you want to remove for all the users, you can also do this through this way forward. Just I'm removing it for the current user. Yes, okay. So you can see that it is being, applications are being removed, and it is pretty much light of application, and how fast it is. You can see that the performance in front of you, and it is removing very quickly. I didn't speed up anything. I didn't speed up video framing. I didn't do anything. You can see that it is a real-time result. So all is done. That's it. Close it. Earlier count was 155, and now we have less applications. You can see that if we check out Microsoft 365 Copilot, it is not there. And check out game box X was there, now it is not there. So now we are good to go. So you can see that within 60 seconds we have debloated our Windows 11. So it is a fantastic application, and you can also use for your computer. And I request you guys, and I'm requesting you since 3 to 4 videos, that kindly subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. It is very mandatory for you, because I'm doing the hard work on daily basis for you guys, and so that you can watch my videos. And thank you so much. Just hit the bell icon, forward to your family and friends. And guys, special request, hit the bell icon please. Thank you.